Okay, so today we're going to have a look at the Vlookup function in Excel. So as you can see, I have two sheets on my workbook. The first one is an employees table, which includes surname, department, and an age column. At the moment, you can see the age column is blank. I also have another sheet, which includes the employee surname and the employee age. So what we're going to do is use a Vlookup in order to bring the employee's age through into the employees table. So as with all functions in Excel, we'll start with an equals, and then we'll type Vlookup, open bracket. Now you can see that Excel gives you some hints here. So the first parameter we have to enter is a lookup value. In our case, the thing that's common in both datasets is the surname. So all we do to select surname is simply click in the cell. That's our lookup value. Next parameter we have to enter is a table array. So all this means is the table that we're looking to find the lookup value in. In our case, it's the ages table, and we're interested in column A and B. It's important to remember that the lookup value you're looking to find has to be the very left-hand column in your table array. So once you've selected your table array, enter a comma. The next parameter that Excel is looking for is a column index number. So all this means is that from our table array, which column are you looking to return? In our case, it's column B, which would be number 2. Enter a comma. The final parameter that Excel is looking for you to enter is whether you're looking for an approximate match between the lookup value and the table array, or if you're looking for an exact match. So for example, in cell A4 is the name Thompson. So for example, it could be spelled as it is here, or it could be with a P. If you were to put in true, which is an approximate match, it could either find Thompson with or without a P. If you enter false, which is an exact match, it will only find Thompson without a P. So we're looking for an exact match here. So you can either type in the word false or a 0. Once you've done that, you close your brackets and you hit enter. So now you'll see that it has brought the age through for the person with the surname Cook. All we need to do now is drag that formula down, and you see that it brings the ages through. So for example, Smith, who works in finance, is 45, and if we have a look at our ages table, that's the correct age. So that's how to use a Vlookup in Excel.